Welcome back to another episode of Help Me Restore My Monte Carlo, and today I will be changing out the key ignition. As you see, I already got the cover piece off for the horn and stuff. I already took the clip off. So now I am about to take this bolt off. Went to AutoZone. Got the steering wheel tool, so I'm about to do that. Once you get the steering wheel tool, you're supposed to put it in these two bolts with these two holes. Get it down, pry it off. So I gotta go get my tools and get started. And got to take it off, change out the key ignition, and let's get started. It takes much torque to get that off. Put what I took off in order, so now it's time to use this to take that off. So let me get all this other stuff out of the way. Okay, now that I have that in place, now it's time to put this in and pry off the steering wheel. Use what you want to use, but this as I'm doing it, but I have to. And there you have it. Steering wheel is off. Now, to use this when this tool come in. For this piece, push down on it to take out that pin. So let me take this out and I'll be right back for this. All right, I got this down, I got this position, and I tighten it up enough where it pushes down and you can see that O-ring you have to take off. So I'm gonna try to take that off. It's gonna take a few minutes because yeah, I gotta pop it off. So I'm gonna try to pop that off. Now that I have the pin up and out, now it's time to ease it down because it still have tension, and you don't want to hurt yourself with it like that. Make a long story short, you don't want to hurt yourself. So where's my little wrench that I was using? Okay, we go. Take the tension back off slowly and drop it back down. See, I use a wrench because it does get tight. Should be, yeah, I can do it with my hand now. Alright, let me put this camera down so nothing won't pop off on me. Alright, I got it up, got it off. Oh, make sure y'all keep that clip now. She gonna need it. And now, take off the little pieces, unscrew everything, take it off. Make sure you gotta keep this together. Okay, we're supposed to be for the horn, but yeah, I don't think I got no horn handle on this thing. I like the horn right there. I like the horn stuck in there. So yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. All right. Got that loose, got that above. You have to take this little piece off from right there. Take this bolt out. Once you take that little bolt out, then you can just pull the ignition right on out. So let me take it's a star bit, so feel like it's a T20. Get that out. It's a pin screw. Ignition came right on up. Ignition came on out. Get this new one. Pretty much look the same. Yep. We got the new ones in. Now time to reverse the steps that I done, which is put this pin back in. Got the new ignition in. Put everything back together. Putting back in everything. Alright, got that piece back on. Put all the 3 bolts back in. Now it's time to put the hazard light back in. Be careful with this because it does have a spring. Goes right here on the little side. Alright, that back in. Make sure you put your signal light piece back in too. Otherwise, yeah, you're gonna be driving with no signals. Make sure you put that back in. That way, you can use signals. So you do the same concept if you want to change out your signal lights. Same concept. X, Y, Z. Fairly easy. But now time to put all these pieces back on with the O-ring. So I'm gonna have to reverse the process, put this on, and press down on it. So I'm gonna have to put down the phone and make it do what it do. All right, that piece is back on. Now it's time to put the steering wheel back on. What I do is I put the load on there and drill it down with the impact. Put that thing down in there. Ooh. And then it's time for my clip. Then we all done. And that is a key ignition change. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. The new key ignition is doing good. Got it crunked up right now. At first the old key was coming out, but it's not no more. So